Hi viewers, welcome to Sweta's English Hub. Today we will have a discussion on a very interesting and important topic. As all of you know, just now many of the children has finished their 10th standard. And every child, every parent is facing a question. What's next? What next? What next? What to opt? Which field to be opted? What subject to be taken? So, in order to make clear from my point of view, I would like to give a small career guidance for the 10th class students. Hope this video will be very useful for all the 10th class students who are at their turning point in their life. What to choose after 10th? Every child after finishing his or her 10th, they will be in a dilemma. I want to become a doctor. It pertains for some time. Then after, I want to become an engineer. I want to become an astronaut. I want to become a military person. I want to become a great scientist. So these many kinds of thoughts will be revolving in a single mind. So first, choose yourself. How to choose it? What to choose? Whether biology, commerce, mathematics or arts. What you want to become. Make sure of one particular thing. Don't go your ideas to 1, 2, 3. Let them go for various, but on the whole come with one conclusion in which field you want to be. Settle down. You want to be a successful person. Success does not depend on the profession what we select. Success depends on how we do the things, how committed we are to the work, whatever we have selected. Whatever it might be, it may be science, it may be arts, it may be mathematics or it may be commerce. But how much effort you are going to put in that particular concerned subject, whatever you opted, will give you the result in that particular profession. Then, what is the stream and how to select the stream? Firstly, don't be pressurized. Your mother comes and tells you become how to select a stream. Don't be under pressure. While you are choosing your career, don't get into any kind of pressures. Don't think of anyone else. Just focus on what you want, because you are the person. Whether it is success, whether it is failure, whether it is hard work, you need to face it. So don't come into any kinds of pressures. Any kinds of pressures. Be cool. Take suggestions from your mother, from your father, from your aunt, from your uncle, from your brothers and sisters. Take all suggestions and come for analyzing them. And how good that particular idea suits you, try to analyze. And think about your interest. In which field you are interested. If you are interested in mathematics, go for mathematics. If you are interested in science, go for science groups. If you are interested in commerce, go towards commerce group. So while choosing, it is your interest that should finalize your group. And while you are choosing that particular group, what are the opportunities? You need to explore the opportunities. If I select MPC, then what next I have to do? Where I can have my career opportunities. So like this, you have to have a good analyzing capacity. Then after 10th, many children know that after 10th we have only intermediate, but it's not like that. You don't have only intermediate as an option. You have many other options. You have intermediate, with BPC, MPC, HEC, MEC, CEC. Few children doesn't know other groups also. Only they know MPC, BPC. That's it. But there are many other courses. MPC, BPC, HEC, CEC, MEC. Okay, these are the courses. If you go for intermediate, you can opt these courses. Then other than intermediate, no, I don't want to go for intermediate. Then you have many other technical courses. You have Polytechnic, which is technical course where you are going to study engineering diploma for 4 years. So there you have different streams like mechanical, civil, triple E, chemical engineering, computer engineering and automobile engineering. So depending upon the rank, depending upon the seats availability, you can go towards Polytechnic. And there will be an entrance for Polytechnic called Polycet. You need to apply for that, and there you will be getting a hall ticket. Before the examination, the exam date and time when you will be communicated to you, you need to go clear the entrance. Depending upon the rank, you will be allocated the seat. The next is IIT. Polytechnic, it is a 3 years course where you need to write Polycet entrance, and within 3 years you will finish off Polycet. Then again you have to join in BTech second year. Here you have various options like mechanical, computer science, triple E, automobile, electronics, biotechnology, agricultural biotechnology, rubber technology, plastic technology, mining technology, biomedical, architecture. So like these various branches are there in Polytechnic. You can see it on the screen. I'm sharing it for you. So depending upon your interest and the rank whatever you are going to score in the entrance examination, Polycet exam, you need to opt the concerned course. Now already the Polycet is open. If you want, if anybody interested to apply, I'll be giving the link for Polycet in the description box. So it will be useful for you. You can check it out and you can apply for the Polycet. The cost of this Polycet is 400 rupees for other caste, and for SC/ST people it is only 250 rupees. So you can apply it. The next option we have is Triple IT. We have in our Telangana Triple IT at Basra. This year, because of this COVID pandemic, the Triple IT Basra selections are going to be held with they are going to take the students with the rank whatever they get in the Polycet. So Polycet ranking is taken as a consideration for Triple IT Basra this year, for this particular year. Before that they used to take the 10th class marks as the average. They used to take the marks depending upon the ranks and marks, grades they got, they used to allocate seat. But now we don't have examinations and all are given pass marks. So depending upon the entrance exam, whatever they have cleared the Polycet, they are going to get seat in Triple IT. Coming to the other option is ITI. ITI, it is the 2-year duration course. Here you have various options like fitter, computers, civil draftsman, mechanical, radio, TV mechanic, radio mechanic, motor vehicle, diesel mechanic, marine mechanics, electrician, plumber, surveyor, electrical, machine tools, welder, fireman, cookery, painting technology. So after hearing all these, you can feel that for these courses we need to go and study somewhere. The outsiders who are doing, they are doing without any course. But if at all you do all these courses with a certificate, you are eligible to get a government job whenever there is a notification. Certificate makes matter. So without certificate and with certificate there is a lot of difference. Hope you guys understood. Next is the paramedical. This is a 3 years course. You can go towards the health side. If you want to go towards the health side, DLMT, DHFT, DOA, DOT, health inspector and sanitary inspector. These are the things you can do if at all you go towards the paramedical. And even lab technician courses also can be offered under this paramedical. And Some other short-term courses for 6 months and 1 year are also available, like DTP, PGDCA, Tally, Internet, Graphics, Animation, Web Designing, Cybersecurity. You know, nowadays web designing and cybersecurity are like hot cake. They have lot of demand. So these are all the opportunities you have. Not only intermediate, you have polytechnic, ITI, paramedical and other short-term courses too. Then here are some list of the government jobs for which you can opt. VRA, military, AW, ANMs and driving posts also they are eligible. Then with MPC what you can do? After finishing 2 years of intermediate, if you opt MPC, then you have to write the entrances like IIT, JEE, AIEEE, BITSAT or MCET, through which you are eligible for BTech. There you can opt whatever engineering stream you want to opt, like mechanical, triple E, computer science, what is it, depending upon your interest. If you finish BTech, then the jobs you can have civil jobs, groups you can prepare, IFS, defense, railways, banks, IT, pharma companies, cement companies, automobile industries, real estate, metal and power supply. These are the areas where you can find the job opportunities once you finish your BTech. And not only this what you call intermediate, you have integrated courses which are for the duration of 5 years. Integrated MSc, which we have in our Kakatiya University. These are the integrated PG courses. And if you opt for BSc, if at all you go to engineering, it's fine. If you don't go for engineering, you can go for the BSc courses, where you have BSc with maths, physics, chemistry as a combination, mathematics, statistics, physics, mathematics, statistics and computer applications, MPE, mathematics, physics and electronics, like these various combinations you have. And these people also, you are eligible for railways, defense jobs, media and entertainment sector also. These integrated PGs are also eligible, and you have fashion technology, BL, ML and PhD. Then till now we have discussed regarding the mathematics, if at all they choose engineering, if at all they choose degree. Then what about the commerce after 12th? They can go for BCom computers or BCom general, or else they can go for BA journalism, BA history, BBA, BCA. These are the graduation courses, degree courses they have. And one more is, if at all you want to go towards commerce side, you have a great opportunity called chartered accountancy. So this is a chartered accountancy is now it is having a great boom because of digital currency, monetization. All these taxpayers, they need to go towards chartered accountant whenever they need to pay the taxes. So the demand for chartered account is increasing day by day. Okay, the detailed information regarding the chartered accountancy you can see in the picture. What I am placing there. Here, the complete overall view of a junior college. Is given in this particular photo, whatever you can see. What are the opportunities, how you can go towards B Pharmacy, BEd, to become a teacher. If you want to become a teacher, you need to do BEd, Bachelor of Education, BPD, Bachelor of Physical Education, BSc, Architecture, ITI, Diploma. So there are various aspects in which you can make your own career. Fly in the plane of ambitions, land in the airport of success. The luck is yours and wish is mine. May your future always shine. Good luck. I wish all of you to have a great future ahead. All the best for your future. If you like the video, please like, share, comment and subscribe to Sweta's English Hub. All the links regarding this entrance examinations will be given in the below description. If you want any other video, please comment in the comment section. Any questions can be communicated through the comments. Thank you everyone.